up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. My name is Meeks, and in today's video, I have the new Diva Bag by Sonya. So Sonya had a makeup subscription bag that she did each and every single month, and I think it was around $12 to $13 a month. It was a great deal. I got some of the coolest makeup items ever in her bag, and I so very much miss it. Well, as I was unboxing her mystery makeup bags, one of my subscribers mentioned that she had a new bag on her website that was $25 a month. And I was like, I didn't know that, because the last time I was on her site, the bag wasn't there. So when somebody had went after they watched my video to check out her website, they saw a different bag for $25 a month. And I was like, well, I love what Sonya puts together. I have to check it out. So I did get the bag, and I'm going to explain a little bit about what the bag is. So this bag is $25 a month, and you're guaranteed 2 to 3 items. Let me go ahead and click on this little thing here. I'm looking at my iPad so I don't mess this up. It says the Diva Bag by Sonya monthly subscription gives you the chance to fill up your closet with fun shirts, bags, earrings, turbans, hats, and lots of other fun everyday items that you are certain to use, often to spice up your taste for new fashion. So there's a profile that you fill out. So when I filled out the profile, you can select what kinds of shirts you want. Like, she has certain themes and categories for the shirts. So what I'm guessing is that you're guaranteed a shirt each month in your bag. And then she's going to put as many other accessories as she possibly can in your bag that, you know, makes sense for her to still make money. You understand what I'm saying? She's in this to make money, guys. So you get the shirt. The shirt is the main thing that you're getting in your bag. And then you get a couple of other accessories or other things that she's going to put in there, and then whatever other bonuses she's able to put in. All right. So here's my first bag. Oh, I'm so excited. And guys, it feels so heavy. So I'm so super pumped. Look at this, guys. I love that she put, look, it's a purple polka dot bubble mailer. Hello. She knows me. Sonya knows me so well. I love purple. So at any rate, I love how she puts this on the front of her bags. This one says, to the great and bazaars. How fun is that, you guys? I love how she does that. On all of her bags, she puts something just to brighten your day, really. And I think it's so super fun. Okay, let me put my iPad aside here because, you know, I got a lot going on here. And we're going to start digging into this bag. So here's what it looks like, if you guys can see. So there's definitely a shirt. Looks like there's some kind of book or something. I'm super excited. So let's just start. Let me see. Oh, okay. Hold on. Does this tell me about any, is there a, I don't know if there's a card, and it's okay if there's not. So what is this? This is, oh, so this is a Mary Kay Time Wise sampler set. So, oh, I just ripped this. Sorry, guys. I just ripped that part off. It wasn't like that. I ripped it off with the tape. But I wanted to see what this says. It says a special gift for you. It's from Mary Kay. So grab your skincare samples and join me for a 15-minute virtual tutorial and receive $25 in free products plus an entry to win the Spa Day giveaway, including the following prizes. That sounds pretty fun. I might have to check that out. Hopefully it hasn't already happened. So I got the Mary Kay Time Wise sampler set, and I'm really not sure what's all included in here. Does it pull right out? Yeah, it does. Oh, okay. So it's an age minimized 4-in-1 cleanser, and then you get the day cream, night cream, and an eye cream. So that is what the sampler set is. I will definitely give all of this a try. I think I got these samples, not all of these samples, but one of them in something that I ordered from eBay. So I didn't get to try it. I think I put those in friend mail, but yeah. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, I want to put them on right now. Oh my gosh, guys, look at these earrings. Oh my gosh, how pretty are those? Those are so amber. Oh my gosh, you guys, I totally want to put these on right now. And they definitely match what I have on. Let me take them out of the package for you guys just so you can get, you know, a better idea of what they look like in case the camera gave you some glare. Oh my gosh, guys, look, they got all these little beads on the side of them. Oh my gosh, multicolored beaded earrings, hoops. How cute are those? I can't wait to wear them. Oh my gosh. You're killing it already, Sonya. I mean, you could have just put those two things in, I probably would have been through the moon for $25. Sonya's that awesome. Okay, let's see what else. Ooh, that's nice. So then we have these Hydrogel eye patches by Mary Kay. So she does sell Mary Kay. I think I have her information and I can leave it in the description box for those of you who like Mary Kay products. And maybe you don't have someone that you use for Mary Kay right now. Maybe you can use Sonya. So I'm definitely excited to give those a try. And then I love these cards that she puts in there. This one says, and we know that in all things, God works together for the good of those who love him and who are called according to his purpose. So I love that she puts these in there. These are very, very, very nice. And then on the back of it, it says, I am preparing my heart to receive all great things that are coming my way. I fully expect miracles to take over my life today and rejoice. That's the other side. Love it, you guys. I think these are great, and I definitely keep all of them. And I pull them out and read them from time to time. Okay, oh my goodness. This is awesome. I want to do the shirt last, but there's other things like around the shirt here. So that's awesome. I love all this stuff. Okay, so then we have Mary Kay at Play Color Correcting Stick. Ooh, if it's the right color for me, it says white red. White red? I don't know. Okay, here you go, guys. I'm going to open this because I really don't know what this is, to be honest with you. Reveal your ideal complexion. Okay, so it's green. I don't know how to use these things. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my hand here. So obviously it comes off green just like it was. It's like a crayon. So what happens if I rub it in? I don't know. I don't know how to use these, you guys. So did that correct anything? I'm not really sure. All right. I'm definitely going to have to look up how to use that because I don't know. But I'm happy to have it and give it a try. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sonya! Oh, she got... these are so fun! Oh my gosh! You guys. Okay. We get it. Oh my gosh. I'm already 7 minutes in. I didn't expect this bag to be so full. This is awesome. Okay. So let's go ahead and do these because these are fabulous. I mean, hello. What? Oh my gosh. I love them. Guys, these are so fun. Tell me these aren't fun. I love them. I am so happy to have them. Oh my gosh, these are so going to be fun. Okay, so I got those. And then I have some Rude lip gloss. It's very juicy. So that is awesome. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh, she is, I love it. Oh my gosh. Guys, this bag is amazing already. She definitely packs a punch just like she did with her other one. And it's only $25 for this bag. So that is awesome. Okay, I definitely have everything out of the bag. So now we have some nude stick nudies. So obviously, I probably should hold it this way because this is probably the shade that is the color of this, which I'm totally fine with, guys. I wear these kinds of things. Oh yeah. I wear these kinds of colors all the time during the week when I'm not going anywhere or doing anything. Oh, that's a great color. Look at that. That is going to be great for me. I love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh. Sonya, you are so amazing. She is amazing. Okay, and then I have this, I don't know, SUVA Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. Okay. All right, check that out, you guys. That is pretty friggin' awesome. All right, let me open this up because I'm going to keep everything. Ooh, how pretty. Look at that, you guys. Okay, definitely down for these illuminating drops. I definitely need some illumination. I'm not going to open these for you, but all the way, you know what I mean? Oh, so pretty. She gave me 2 colors. Oh my gosh, Sonya, you're killing me. Okay, I'm going to take these out of the packaging just right away so that you guys can see them. But they are so fun. Oh my gosh. I wish I had this in my hair today because like I have just a regular bobby pin in today. I could have totally put these in and then slide it. I'm just saying. Okay, guys, look at them. Look at how pretty they are. So these are just like the clear crystal color ones. Silver, should I say. So those are the silver ones. And then she gave me a gold pair too. Guys, I love them. I mean, I love them. These are so incredibly fun. Oh my gosh, I'm going to love this subscription. I knew it. I knew I was going to love it. Okay, so then I have a little book that says, do something great today. Awesome. I use these little books all the time, guys, to jot down things for my YouTube channel. So it's just like a journal. where you can, you know, put whatever you want in there, honestly. So I will definitely use this for my YouTube channel. Okay, now we're going to get to the cream of the crop, which is the shirt. I wasn't done yet. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Now guys, I like my shirts big. So, I love it. I love it. I got size large for mine, although this one says 2XL. But I prefer my shirts to be bigger. That's just the way that I like to wear things, because I don't like things hugging up against me. Look how fun these are. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love this shirt. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. So it is the Gildan brand, which is a good brand shirt. I love it. Oh, these are so fun. Guys, again, this was the Diva Bag by Sonya. This is her new bag. You get a shirt with every bag and whatever else she can put in there. She totally killed it with this bag. I mean, I got sunglasses, I got hair clips, I got earrings, I got makeup. I'm loving it. This is an awesome bag. Make sure that you guys check this out. Again, $25 a month, Diva Bag by Sonya. I'll have a link to her website in my description box. Please make sure you go over and check out this bag. It is awesome. 100% worth $25. I am so excited about this bag, and I'm very much looking forward to my next one. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have the new Diva Bag by Sonya. I don't know if I want to say it like that. All right, hold on. What's up? Nope. Again. Great deal, great items. I so very much missed that bag. So I went on her website and found out that she has okay, no, hold on. Oh no. And then I love these cards that she puts in there. This one says, and we know that in God, and we know that in all, I can read. Woo!